there, I'm going to show you how to use my washi tape stamps. I'm in my washi tape library right now, and if you'll notice there are different names. Whoops, sorry about that. Different names for each brush or each stamp. And like this one says Aztec. This is Aztec solid, circles, circles, solid. So what we're going to do, let's say I want to use, let's find one here. Let's say I want to use this dividing line. So I'm going to get dividing line solid first. Select that. You can use different colors, but I'm going to use black just to show you first off. And I'm going to do that by double tapping the black here, and it will take it to pure black. First, I'm going to stamp the solid. Okay, I'm going to make that bigger just so you can see it better. Okay, then I'm going to go back to my brush. Dividing line solid, I'm going to go to dividing line next. And then I'm going to choose a different color. Let's say I want to use this, let's pick this orange right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer. And it's going to be above the solid layer. We want this layer to be above the solid layer. And you can just stamp it anywhere, okay? Now, it's too small, so I'm going to come up here, tap the select tool, and I'm going to enlarge this by dragging on this dot right here, on any of the corner dots. And it does not need to be the same size, but close to it, a little bit bigger than the solid one, okay? Then we're going to come up here to the layers, and we're going to select this layer, tap it. We're going to do a clipping mask, and then it will fit to this black solid layer. Now we're going to select it again, and we're going to merge down. And now this is one piece of washi tape. So I'm going to do this post-it note here, and I'm going to first select the shadow, and I'm going to select the black again, create a new layer, tap the shadow, then I'm going to go back, and I'm going to get this note 1, create a new layer. I'm going to just stamp it right on top there. I'm going to get my select tool up here, and I'm going to position it over the shadow and just adjust it using the corners to where it looks like I want it to. And then there's your post-it note. And if we go back to our washi tape, we can take it smaller. Okay. I'm going to pull this layer above the post-it note so that it will look like it's on top. And I'm going to merge these two layers. So I'm going to select, merge down, and now those two layers are one layer. So that's how you use my washi tape. I hope you love it.